is Josh Groves, and I'm one of the co-founders of Pod2. Pod2 is all about making work suck less for people. So basically, trying to improve work in some way, whether it's through management consulting, so process change management, that kind of thing. So my role is really focused on that software side of Pod2. So making sure that we can introduce software to fill gaps in processes or improve existing processes through automation and things like that. We ran into challenges trying to scale entitlements. So a lot of the times there was an informal process where software would be sold to certain customers and we wouldn't know exactly what the details were. So entitlements were captured in various systems through emails, phone calls, and post-it notes and kind of all over the place. So one thing that we really wanted to do with Pod2 is capture entitlements in one place early on and have a system of record for those. By using the entitlements module in Chargebee, we have that system of record now, which is really important to us. So the way our entitlements work today in Chargebee is that we specify a set of features that we want to offer to our customers, and they can manage their own subscriptions. So if they decide to purchase additional seats for a product, they can do that directly through our checkout page provided by Chargebee, which is fantastic because it eliminates a whole layer of custom subscription management for us. People purchase a subscription, they can opt in to additional entitlements if they want by selecting certain features or adding a higher quantity of that feature. And so as soon as the subscription is created, we can call the Chargebee API for entitlements and see exactly which entitlements every customer has. We don't need to call anybody and ask which customer purchased which features because we can just open Chargebee and right away we know exactly this subscription has these entitlements, and there's no question of, is there something special about this and do we have to make an adjustment here or anything like that? It's just right in Chargebee, which is fantastic. Prior to the entitlements module, we had custom JSON documents for every subscription. And because of that, we had to have our own code to read those JSON documents and pick out the entitlements and summarize them in a way that made sense to us. But by using the Chargebee Entitlements module, we could remove all of that code because it just wasn't necessary anymore. Instead, we can just use the Chargebee Entitlements API and get all of the same information from that API directly, which really allowed us to remove all of that custom code. So I think it's really important for companies to establish this early on because in my experience, it's very hard to migrate onto this kind of entitlements management after the fact, after you have a lot of processes in place and you have a sales process that doesn't involve entitlements and it's just kind of handled informally. So we really like to have an entitlements management system that allows us to define all of those features in one place. And as you scale up to 100 features or more, then you still have it all in one place. So it just becomes much easier to manage. You don't have to, like I said, go and call anybody to figure out exactly what features should be part of a subscription.